I can't stop thinking about Peanut and feeling the regret, so I've made a healing decision. I will take the adopted baby Budgie from Albino and care for it myself. It's also better for Albino, and all the nest boxes will need to be shut down. I think this one is a male and I have no idea what to name him. I just can't decide. If you have any suggestions, please help me. As you can see, some of his feathers are missing since his mother Pipi was picking them. But they'll all grow back in time. He needs to be around me most of the time, so I'm feeding him every hour and keeping him warm. I'm sure he'll grow up to be the best bird ever. I just pray he stays safe. They're like children, always finding some trouble. And when I think about it, he's like Peanut's little brother. And here we go again.